these latest Minis really lack in the noise department, so we're going to change that with the Carbonwurks sound pack. Let's get this one underway. The car's being disassembled currently, and I thought it was a good opportunity to talk you through what is part of the sound pack at Carbonwurks. Well, there's quite a few elements to it, and there's a few different options depending on what you guys at home want. But the main bulk of the parts are a rear exhaust system. So this is actually a Cooper S system, does also fit the JCW, just removes the valves function, but there's no issues with any lights or codes or warnings. So that's certainly a good start, and this is a GPF back system, so effectively downpipe back, which is why we've got two pipes to the right hand side of me here. That's going to give a lot more noise at the back, it's going to get rid of a lot of the restrictions, and it's going to sound fantastic. At the front, however, because you do need to match the front with the back, in my personal opinion, we've got a Forged Motorsport blow-off valve, or diverter valve, E-diverter valve as it's called, which is going to give you some more chirruping turbo noises, which it's fun more than anything else. I know it may not be for everyone, but I think these sound fantastic when they've had a bit of modification from that point of view. Then the last two remaining pieces of puzzles is the Forged Motorsport silicone pipe here, which removes effectively a plastic resonator, which again dampens a lot of the noise, so this makes a big difference. And where this can differ is either ram air in this instance or a Forged Motorsport intake. This particular customer has opted for the ram air version. It's a little bit more cost effective, but the sound's very similar. But these are what I'd say between the Forged Motorsport version and the ram air. They're on the lower end of the budget scale, but they sound fantastic and they perform really, really nicely. So the collection of parts together should give you some more noise, and it's going to give that voice back to the Mini that otherwise it's lacking. They should sound a bit more fruity from factory, but they don't due to regulations. So what we're doing here is putting a collection of parts that is going to change that. So I'm going to let Sam get underway with the rest of the build, and we'll give you some sound clips at the end. So we're all wrapped up now with the sound pack, and I hope you guys at home will agree, it sounds pretty mega. We've had to do a few little bits and pieces, but starting on the back end, obviously we've got this Remus exhaust system with this nice OEM looking black tailpipe, and obviously retains the single pipe on the back end, which we really love. It's very OEM looking, but it's a little bit chunkier, so it adds a bit more aggression. Certainly sounds the part. Let's go over to the front end and I'll talk you through what's going on there. So at the front, obviously you've seen the forged diverter valve. Obviously you can't see that now, it's been installed, but then we've got the intake pipe with the ram air kit here. One thing to note is this intake pipe here is designed to work with the Forged Motorsport intake, so that is an option. If you want to go for something slightly different like we have done here today with the ram air, then you will need to trim the silicone hose, which is what we've done, to make sure it does actually mate and fit together. But as a whole, it's gone on really nicely, and more than anything, it sounds absolutely spectacular. So well done to Sam the mechanic for getting it all fitted, and very thanks for Sam, the owner of the car, for coming on down. But we'll see you guys next time. Hope you enjoy the video.